Madam Chair, I need protection from these hecklers. Madam Chair, I want to tell them, you can bribe the honorable members here, but you cannot bribe the people of Kenya.
Yes.
And as a son of Mau Mau, yes, I cannot be intimidated by these hecklers.
Order, honorable members. Order, members. And I will order the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro to withdraw the statement. If not, then you substantiate your claim. Honorable Nyoro.
Madam Chair, I stated here, Madam Speaker,
Honorable Nyoro,
we have the evidence that these members are being bribed 100,000 and 200,000.
Order. Honorable Ndindi. Order, members. Honorable Ndindi Nyoro. Order, members. Honorable Ndindi Nyoro. Honorable Ndindi Nyoro. Honorable Ndindi Nyoro. Are you able to prove that, Honorable Nyoro? You are imputing improper motives on a fellow member of parliament. Honorable Nyoro. And when you call out a member on such grave allegations, you can only do that, Honorable Ndindi, when you can substantiate. Honorable Ndindi, you need to withdraw your claims.
Madam Chair, I need to be heard. Madam Chair, I want to put it very categorically that there has been a threat of bribing honorable members in this house. I want to tell them, you can bribe the honorable members here, but you cannot bribe the people of Kenya.
Yes.
And as a son of Mau Mau, yes, I cannot be intimidated by these hecklers. There is evidence, Madam Speaker, that money was changing hearts in this house. Madam Speaker.
Order, members. Order. Order, members. Honorable members. Honorable Ndindi Nyoro. Honorable Ndindi Nyoro. Honorable Ndindi Nyoro. Based on Standing Order 107, having misled the House, I order the Honorable Ndindi Nyoro to be removed from the precincts of Parliament. Honorable Ndindi Nyoro. members, Honorable Nyoro, get out of the house. And Honorable Fatuma Gedi. Honorable Fatuma Gedi. You are out of order for distributing food in the house. You should also get Honorable Fatuma Gedi for disorderly conduct to be out of the precincts of Parliament for a day. They should both leave the house. They should both leave the house. Sergeant at Arms.
Hey, relax. Relax.
Order, members. Honorable members. Honorable members. I have cited Standing Order 107. To start with, Honorable Ndindi Nyoro, you are in violation of Standing Order 107 for deliberately giving false information to the House, which you are unable to substantiate. On the same note, honorable members, on the same note, the Honorable Fatuma Gedi, you are in violation of the standing orders of this House for distributing food in the chamber. And I caution you not to distribute food in the House anymore. Sergeant at Arms. Sergeant at Arms. Order, members. Order, honorable members. Order, members. Take your seats, members. Order, members. Members, no one will hear what you're saying. You will not hear what I'm saying. Just take your seats, members. Take your seats.